It's Christmas Eve. We're just heading out to meet our friend, go for a walk on the beach. It's so warm today, it's crazy. It was so cold the other day, it's actually like really warm. Yeah, but it's a beautiful morning. Outfit, eBay, fluffy leopard print coat, Carhartt trousers, Doc Martens, and chrome industry bag with one of my bag charms. Today's outfit. So welcome to today's vlog, the last one of 2024. So I'm just going to leave my Instagram here, and if you're interested in following me over there, that's where I post kind of more up-to-date content and kind of everyday stuff in my stories about what I'm wearing. Yeah, so if you want to follow me there, you can. I slightly charged up my camera. We're in the car and we're going to the beach to walk our dogs. I have coffee with me, listen to Green Day. It's going to be a nice time. So we're just at the beach, which was lovely, really nice. And then we say goodbye to our friend. She's heading off to her family for Christmas, and we're heading out to see our friends in Bray, just to see them before Christmas. We're on the dart. Just dropping into Finders Keepers. Okay, I didn't really film anything in the shop, but I got my brother's present, which is like a macrame thing for a plant for his desk, and also a Snoopy mug. Pretty cute Snoopy mug with, so funny, that's what is written on the side. And then we're gonna head back. A few last tiny bits to get. I'm gonna get vegan Baileys, pastry for making mince pies, and more wrapping paper. And that's us done. Then watch a Christmas film later. So we're just in Tesco getting the last few bits, as they say. I got my wrapping paper, and we're going to look for the vegan Baileys. See if it exists. So it's Christmas morning and we're just doing our presents, but we're going to go through it and I'll show you after. So we're just doing our presents. This is all Oshin's pile. Some bits I got. I'll show you properly after though. So it's a little bit later and we're at the beach because everyone's going for a swim on Christmas morning, and the weather here, like, it literally looks like summer. Put on some fake nails. Very fun, really good vibes. What do you think, Ush?
Lovely, yeah. Really fun.
So good, Chloe! So it's a little later, just back in the house. I got ready. I'm heading over to my mum's now. But let me show you some of the bits that Oshin got me. How amazing is this? This is like a patchwork cat throw. I think he got it on Vinted. It's like handmade. It's so cute. And then another one with cats on it. So fun. I think they're wall hangings, but we could put them on the couch. Here's a few bits that I got. Got some lovely stocking, like Biscoff. I don't actually know how you eat that. Is that with I don't know really. Got some Salon Smooth hair stuff, some Lee & Stafford volume mousse for like hair up styles. Got some Bed Head shampoo and conditioner. I love Bed Head. I love how good it smells. We got some dates, which are delicious. Hello Kitty fuzzy socks, always fun. These are like Joanne Hines socks. She's a designer, fashion designer that does a range for Duns. I'm so excited about these. And I pointed them out to Oshin ages ago, so it's so nice he remembered. This, because I'm always cold, it's like you put a hot water bottle under then you put your feet inside. So cute. A long hot water bottle. Also very, very fun. Some really good olive oil, which is great for cooking. This is from my friend Hannah. A lovely bar of soap. Grapefruit, smells so good. And then this is really interesting because I've been talking about the face yoga. Basically like doing all these exercises for your face. So that's going to be really fun to read. So now I have all the gifts ready to bring over to my mom's. Yeah, for my mom and family. So yeah, let's go. And this is my outfit that I'm wearing. You've seen me wear this so many times, just like this kind of mohair vintage jumper that I got in a charity shop actually, and I just kind of wear it off shoulder. I have like this sequin, top under, and then this skirt, which is a skirt from my collection for next year, like a ruffle skirt, and these little pointy shoes. They're so cute. They're from Primark, I think. A lovely little kitten heel. Yeah, and I'm bringing slippers as well, so I'm nice and cozy. So I'm just over in my mom's house. We're about to have dinner. So hungry at this stage, but yeah, we're going to eat some food. So let's see what we're eating. Potatoes.
Okay, so a slicer for your nut life.
This looks so nice. What is this, cabbage?
That's red cabbage. Yeah.
Very excited. And this is potato gratin.
It's boulangerie potato. It's just layers of potato with layers of onion and stock and a bit of thyme on the top.
So good. Yeah. So many types of potato. Good morning. It is Stephen's Day, day after Christmas, and we're just going to head out on a walk. It's really misty, so we're like, let's go out quick, have a walk. Yes, we're heading out, but I'll show you what I'm wearing. Hopefully I'll be able to show you outside as well. I'll show you properly outside. I literally just got the glasses. The Rita Ora's collection from Primark. Pretty cool though, great for summer. This polo neck, you know, I've worn a million times. It's from H&M. It hasn't held up the best, quite bobbly, but I love the shape. I thrifted this skirt at, actually I think I got it on Depop at the start of the year. Thought I'd wear that. My shoes are from Primark. They're like the Ganni dupes. So misty outside, so my hair, I just curled it. I don't want to ruin it, so I'm going to wear a scarf and cap, which I've not tried before. I don't know if I've done it right, but I know a lot of people are kind of wearing this style now, and I have so many vintage scarves, and it's nice to think there's going to be a new way of wearing them. Am I supposed to go? What am I supposed to do? Tighter maybe? Bush? Yeah. What do you think of a scarf and the hat?
It's definitely a look.
It's what?
It's definitely a look.
I just don't want my hair to get ruined. I'm losing the cap because apparently I'm doing too much. And now this is probably too much as well, but anyway, let's go. Whew. It is so misty out. It was a lot mistier this morning, I think. I'm going to quickly show you my outfit. And then we're going to just go on a stroll. And then we're back in, I think, for the day. So, you know this jacket I wear it all the time, it's the Alpha Industries bomber. This is like a H&M jumper that I've worn so many times. Got this skirt on Depop. I think it's originally Savita, which is a Dunnes Stores brand. I think it's just in Ireland, but I think it's so nice. And I actually really like the silver with these colours. Shoes are Ganni dupes from Primark. Bag is Miu Miu. I got this on Vestiaire, or else it was eBay, like maybe for 100 and something euro, like a good few years ago. I'm going with the scarf. Let's see how we get on. And glasses are Rita Ora. So I hope you're all enjoying today's video, kind of seeing what I got up to over Christmas and the outfits I was wearing over the holiday season. And if you're enjoying watching my content, please make sure to subscribe or leave me a like or a comment. All of that kind of stuff is really, really appreciated, and it helps kind of more people to discover my channel. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying, and let's get back to this beautiful misty walk. Okay, let's go. Okay, it is still really misty along the coast. Woo! It's quite cold, the mist as well. Yeah, it's still really, really foggy. Lovely. If I knew birds better, I'd know.
Oh, look at this little guy into the water.
Oh yeah, there's another guy out there. Ooh.
So clear.
Oh, it's got a stick. Yay! Good morning. It is Saturday. It's hard to tell with Christmas. I think it's Saturday, but it's also Oisin's birthday today. It's so beautiful and sunny as well. We've got some fun things planned today. We're gonna go, I think he wants to get new phones. We're gonna go look at new phones. Hopefully he'll get sorted. I actually need to get a new phone as well. I have like a iPhone X. It's very old, but like phones are so expensive, so I've been putting it off, but maybe I will look. There's some good deals on at the moment. I thought I would show you my outfit. It's so lovely and sunny today. Kind of put an outfit like a dress together. This is like a vintage sequin kind of long top. So pretty. I have a vintage blouse layered under. The skirt is from my 2025 collection, so I've got like layered as if it's nearly like a dress. My Miu Miu bag that I got on eBay, I think, a few years ago. And these Primark shoes that kind of look like Ganni dupes. Also curled my hair, kind of look very like rich or fancy or something. And then ASOS glasses and all my fun rings, and these are just fake press-on nails because I'm not paying to get my nails done. Yeah, that's today's outfit. So it's Sunday today. I think it's Sunday anyway. Is it Sunday today?
So this is
Is it Sunday?
Year. Yep.
Yeah, been a kind of quiet morning, and now we're heading out with my friends to go to somewhere I can't remember the name of. Avondale. Which is kind of like a lovely estate and has a lot of grounds, beautiful trees, and they've like done this like tree walk where you go up into the trees, and they have like Christmas lights there, which I think finishes in the next few days. So yeah, we've all decided to go there. It's like 4 o'clock. Well, it's at 4 o'clock, so it will just be getting dark while we're there. I have on this faux fur coat that I got from H&M, I think at the start of the year in the sales. And I have it on with my printed hoodie, my really, really old Doc Martens. I just want to be warm more than anything. So yeah, we're gonna head now, so let's go. So we've just arrived and it's like that kind of like just before nighttime, which is perfect because it's like a light thing. Look at that sky, it's so gorgeous. See how the walk is basically like a walk up into the trees. You get higher as you walk along, so it's going to be gorgeous, and at least it's not raining. Yeah, but this sun, I don't know if you can see that behind me, is amazing. You ready for the walk, Ush?
Yeah. Chilly.
Yeah, cold. Basically like up in the trees. This is great. It's hard to kind of show you how tall or high we are up, but oh my god, I feel nervous. Yeah, we're quite high up. Not the biggest fan of heights, but this is beautiful because they built it like into the trees, so we're literally walking like with the top of the trees. This is so magic. Oh my god, it's so to walk all the way up. I'll have to come back in another time. Woo! That's actually a big slide. It's not open at the moment though. Wow. Would you like to be going on the slide?
Of course.
Next time. We're gonna walk all the way up there. Woo. We've walked so far, but we still have a bit to go. We're at the top, but it's so high up and I don't like heights. If it was daytime, I'd say the view would be incredible. It's also very windy, so I'm looking forward to walking down now. But yeah, quite high up.